Kapayupat. Sige daw, please, gihapon. Please look at your wristband para inyong malantaw basig kamoy mo daog sa 5,000 pesos. Next winner, 4 more. 2-0-2-4-0-2-8-4. Ay, the last sir. 0284. Congratulations from batch 1968. Yes, 5,000 pesos. Next, 2024-1132. 2024-1132. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Among ipaybalo kung walay mo daog ang premium padulong sa MC. Thank you so much. Next winner, 2024-0837. 2024-0837. 10. That's sir? Dala. Next, kailan ka buong ka please? Duha na lang. 2 more. Asa to siya? Dali doon, dali sir. Isa man eh. Anak po si ma'am. 132 ganina daw. Napa. Sige. Aptitude na, kalilita ma. Thank you so much once again. First set pa to. We still have more cash prizes for everyone as we progress with our celebration tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, for another intermission number, please welcome College Alumni Batch 1990 to 1998. Once again, for an intermission number, please welcome College Alumni Batch 1990 to 1998. We are your team from Tango City, the Organic Coordination Services for your events, Grand Alumni Homecoming, corporate events, and some other events. Please feel free to contact BMC. Ladies and gentlemen, for another intermission number, please welcome SDCHS Batch 1990. One year in preparation. Ladies and gentlemen, for an intermission number, please welcome SDCHS Batch 1990. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, right after this one, we shall have another set of raffle draw for tonight. And of course, later we will have the grand fireworks display. And right after which, we have 4 bands to perform tonight. And together with us tonight is one DJ from Ozami City to rock our celebration for tonight. You just stick around. We will have a grand disco and a grand party for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, batch 1990 of the high school department. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a hand once again to the SSDHS batch 1990. That was really a grand production number. This time we will have another set of raffle draw winners. May I request Doc Liz to please be back here. May I request Ma'am o Madam to pick out 10 winners for this set. Doc Liz, shall we have another set of winners please? We will have 10 winners or 5 winners. 5 winners, 10,000 pesos. 5,000. 5 winners, 5,000 pesos. Batch 1999, where are you? I love you all. I love you guys. Okay, here we go. First winner. Congratulations to